Juicy, tender chicken thighs, pan-fried until golden brown and served in a lovely, zesty sauce with chilli and lime. I love to serve this on top of a big pile of fluffy boiled rice for a fantastic quick dinner. I've got 8 trimmed chicken thigh fillets here on my board, and over that I'm going to sprinkle 2 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch and half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Rub that mixture all over the chicken on both sides. Now heat a tablespoon of cooking oil and a tablespoon of sesame oil in a large frying pan over a medium to high heat. Once that oil's hot, add the chicken thighs and fry for about 6 to 7 minutes, turning once until they're lovely and golden. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of lime juice, which is the juice from about 2 limes, two tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 2 sliced red chillies, and a tablespoon of cornflour, and mix it all together until combined. Once that chicken is lovely and golden brown, pour the mixture all over the chicken thighs. Bring it to a boil and simmer for about 5 minutes until the sauce has thickened. We can also add in a splash of water if it's starting to look a bit too thick. Serve 2 chicken thighs per person over some fluffy boiled rice. And I love to sprinkle with some sesame seeds, chilli flakes, add a couple of lime slices and some sliced spring onions. And that's my recipe for sticky chicken thighs with chilli and lime, a lovely zesty dinner. And it's one of the recipes from my new book. You can check out more quick and easy recipes here. See you next time.